Okay. Andito tayo ngayon sa workabroad.ph. How to apply workabroad.ph. Simple lang po. First, you need to have an account. You need to fill up and register your name in this website para magkameron kayo ng dashboard. Kapag meron na kayong dashboard, napakasimple na lang po. You are very easy to apply. You just write here on the keywords how to apply. Here, you just any positions. Example, carpenter. Search nyo lang yan. Lalabas dyan lahat yung mga available na ito, mali pala ito sa akin, carpenter. So, carpenter. Yan. Okay, so ito po lahat, lalabas po dito lahat yung mga available job for carpenter. Yan, ang ganda, United Kingdom. There is also United Kingdom. But again, so they need to have an experience for all of this. Carpenter, Australia. You know. If you are a skilled worker, napakadali talaga maghanap ng trabaho, lalo na kapag siniswerte kayo. Ayan, no? Apply now, carpenter, Australia, mostly Australia. Yung opening, iba-iba yung international skill development. Okay, so i-search nyo lang to. Punta lang kayo sa Work Abroad at makakagawa kayo. Kasi nandito lahat, dashboards, search, and then jobs. Okay. So, ganun lang po. I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa vlog na to. Dahil mostly, dito rin talaga ako nag-a-apply lagi. At dito rin ako nakakuha ng trabaho ko. Okay, so salamat po again.